How to change age in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the age of which people you want to date. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this like view button. Tap on like view. Now, here on the right top, tap on this filter icon. Now, here, this is the filter section. Here, there's a section where you can choose between which age group you want to date. Here, you can customize it accordingly. Here, there are different sliders and pointers, so you can adjust it accordingly. At last, here on the bottom, tap on apply and you're all set to go. So the age has been changed and the preference will be changed too. So people related to the age will pop up in your feed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.